Maned wolf. A huge dog native to South America is the maned wolf. It is present in Uruguay and is almost extinct in Argentina, Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, and Uruguay. Although not being a wolf or a fox, it has fox-like markings. In the genus Chrysocyon, it is the sole species, meaning golden dog. Gharial, commonly known as the gavial or fish-eating crocodile, is one of the longest-living crocodilians and a member of the Gavialidae family. 2.6 to 4.5 meters length for mature females and 3 to 6 meters for mature males. The term gharial comes from the distinct boss that adult males have at the tip of their snout, which resembles an earthenware pot called agara. The gharial's long, thin snout and 110 sharp, interlocking teeth make it well suited to catching fish. Patagonian Mara. The Patagonian Mara is a species of Mara in the Dolichotis genus. The Patagonian cavy, Patagonian hare, and dillaby are other names for it. Large portions of Patagonia in Argentina, including open and semi-open areas, are home to this herbivorous, slightly rabbit-like mammal. In the northern United Arab Emirates, a population has also been noted. This may be the result of escaped pets or captive animals. Tarsier. The only extant family within the infraorder Tarsiformes is the Tarsiidae, which includes haplorhine primates known as tarsiers. All of the group's extant species are located in maritime Southeast Asia, notably the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei, despite the fact that the group was originally more widespread. Hawk moth. The Sphingidae, which has roughly 1,450 species, is a family of moths that includes sphinx moths, commonly known as hawk moths and hornworms for many of their caterpillars. Although there are species everywhere, the tropics have the best representation. Proboscis monkey. The arboreal Old World monkey known as the Proboscis monkey or long-nosed monkey has an exceptionally large snout, reddish-brown skin, and a long tail. It is only found on Borneo, an island in Southeast Asia, and is mostly found there in mangrove forests and along the island's coasts. Chinese water deer. Small deer species known as the water deer, Hydropotes inermes, are native to China and Korea. In English-speaking regions where they have been introduced, both subspecies are known as vampire deer because of their large tusks, which resemble those of musk deer. Shoebill. A very large wading bird with long legs, the shoebill is sometimes referred to as the weebill, whale-headed stork, or shoe-billed stork. Its large shoe-shaped bill is where its name comes from. Stoat. Stoats are little mustelid animals that are related to weasels and otters. It features an orange body, a tail with a black tip, and an unusual bounding motion. Find it in the UK's grasslands, heaths, and forests. Mantis shrimp. The marine crustacean group known as stomatopods, or mantis shrimp, is carnivorous. Around 340 million years ago, the stony-headed creatures split apart from other Malacostraca members. Several mantis shrimp have a maximum length of 38 centimeters, while most only reach a length of 10 centimeters. Poodle moth. The mysterious and fluffy Venezuelan poodle moth has only ever been found once, and it was not sampled. This moth, which is claimed to resemble a poodle, was found in Venezuela in 2009. Unless poodles had enormous wings and feathers in place of ears. Okapi. The artiodactyl animal known as the okapi is unique to the Northeastern Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa. It is sometimes referred to as the forest giraffe, Congolese giraffe, or zebra giraffe. The genus Okapia only contains one species of it. Narwhal. The narwhal, also called a narwhal, is a medium-sized toothed whale with a massive tusk made of an outstretched canine tooth. It spends the entire year in the Arctic waters near Greenland, Canada, and Russia. Gerenuk. A long-necked antelope seen in some areas of East Africa is called a Gerenuk, also known as a giraffe gazelle. The Gerenuk, the only species in the genus Litocranius, was first outlined by naturalist Victor Brooke in 1879. It is distinguished by having a long, lean neck and limbs. Thorn bug. Southern Florida's ornamentals and fruit trees are occasionally infested by the thorn insect. When there is a severe infestation, nymphs and adults gather in close groups around the twigs, branches, and even tiny tree trunks. Jerboa. Jerboas are hopping rodents that belong to the Dipodidae family and are widespread in North Africa and Asia. They frequently inhabit scorching deserts. Jerboas may run up to 24 kilometers per hour while being pursued. In Central Asia, tiny owls hunt particular species. Soft-shelled turtle. The taxonomic family of soft-shell turtles, or Trionychidae, includes several different genera of turtles. Leopold Fitzinger built the family in 1826. Some of the largest freshwater turtles in the world are soft-shells, yet several can adapt to life in extremely brackish environments. Babirusa. The Indonesian islands of Sulawesi, Togian, Sula, and Buru are home to the babirusas, sometimes known as deer pigs, which belong to the genus Babirusa in the swine family. Prior to 2002, the Babirusa, B. babirusa, which includes all members of this genus, was regarded as a single species. However, after that, it was divided into various species. Dugong. A sea animal, the dugong. There are 3 different manatee species in the order Sirenia, which has 4 extant species in total. The Steller's sea cow, the only living member of the formerly varied family Dugongidae, was hunted to extinction in the 18th century. It is the only member of this family still in existence. Long-necked turtle. The eastern long-necked turtle is an opportunistic feeder that lives in a range of water bodies and is a type of snake-necked turtle native to East Australia. It is a side-necked turtle, which means that rather than pulling its head straight back into its shell, it bends it sideways. Scorpionfly. The scorpionfly is an odd-looking bug that inhabits gardens, hedgerows, and woodland borders, especially near bramble and stinging nettles. It feeds using a long, beak-like projection from its head. It frequently steals the contents of spiders' webs and scavenges dead insects. Blue sea slug. A species of little blue sea slug in the family Glossidae called Glaucus atlanticus is a pelagic eel nudibranch with no shell. These pelagic sea slugs use the water's surface tension to stay upright while they float upside down, where the wind and ocean currents carry them along. Ankole Watusis. A contemporary American domestic cow breed is called Ankole Watusi. It is descended from the Songa cattle breeds of East and Central Africa known as the Ankole group. Large horns serve as a defining feature. Leaf-tailed gecko. The leaf-tailed gecko species known as Uroplatus fantasticus, also known as the fantastic leaf-tailed gecko, eyelash leaf-tailed gecko, or satanic leaf-tailed gecko, is native to the island of Madagascar. Japanese spider crab. A kind of marine crab called the Japanese spider crab is found in the waters off the coast of Japan. Of all known arthropods, it possesses the longest leg span. It goes through 3 major larval phases and a presial stage before reaching its enormous size. Numerous species belong to the genus Macrochyra. So share your thoughts about these animals in the comments section and let us know about any new animals you come across. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to date on all of our newest content. Thanks for watching.